circle, and restlessly move around when they need to go potty. Never scold or punish your puppy if you catch them having an accident. The best method to use if you catch your puppy having an accident is to speak to them in a harsh tone, for example saying no, or a noise like eh. You can also designate a confined area in your home that is considered a timeout area for your puppy when they have an accident. Only leave your puppy in a timeout for a few minutes. If you do not catch your puppy in the act of having the accident, but happen to find the accident at another time, never punish your puppy or use any harsh tones, because your puppy will be confused and will begin to fear you and not know why you're scolding them. Also, do not give them a timeout in this situation. The best overall method is to speak in a harsh tone if you catch them in the act, and praise them in a nice tone when they potty in their apartment. This repetition on your part will accelerate level 1 training. We also recommend giving training treats to your puppy after they use their bathroom. This will reinforce the behavior. One training tip that you can use during the daytime is to have your puppy on a leash that is attached to your waist. This way, if your puppy has an accident, you can immediately correct them. Puppies usually potty after napping, playing, and eating, so it will be very easy for you to predict potty times. Puppies 6 to about 10 weeks old normally potty every 1 to 2 hours. Between 10 weeks to 4 months, every 2 to 3 hours. From 4 months to adulthood, every 4 to 5 hours. Keep in mind that every puppy is unique and some may go more often than others. Your puppy will probably have accidents the first few weeks, which is normal for any potty training method. The more time you spend supervising and training your puppy, the faster it will become fully potty trained with their apartment. It is extremely important to praise your puppy whenever they go potty in their bathroom. For example, say in a very nice tone, "Good boy" or "Good girl." This will reinforce the behavior and speed up the training process. In addition, this is also a great time to reward your puppy with a training treat. Another great training tip is to physically place your puppy into their bathroom after they have napped and say, "Go potty." Praise them if they happen to go potty, and there's a good chance they will. Repeating this tip in the future will teach your puppy that when you say "Go potty" when they're in their bathroom, it means to go potty. Also, letting your puppy out of their apartment after they potty is a nice way to reward your puppy for good behavior. Timing is very important in teaching the go potty technique. First, you need to familiarize your puppy with the words go potty so they can associate those words with an action. The best way to do this in the beginning is to wait for your puppy to completely finish pottying and then immediately say, "Go potty." Make sure you wait to say "Go potty" until they have completely finished pottying, but make sure you say it within 1 to 2 seconds after they finish pottying. If you praise your puppy or say "Go potty" too early, your puppy may stop pottying and then have an accident a few minutes later. It is important not to speak to your puppy while they're pottying, and always wait until they have completely finished pottying. After your puppy is completely finished pottying, say "Go potty," then praise them and give them a treat. After you do this a few times, you can then start saying "Go potty" when you place your puppy in their bathroom, and they will understand what those words mean, and it will help to trigger them to go potty. Keep in mind, they will not always potty when you say "Go potty," but the more you practice this technique, the more often they will go potty when you say "Go potty."
Go potty. Go potty. Good boy, AC. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
When you're not using the go potty technique, another tip is to ignore your puppy when you sense they're about ready to potty on their own during the daytime. If you try to encourage your puppy to potty, they may think that you may want to play and they may forget to go potty. You can even pretend to wash dishes or clean around the room you have the puppy's apartment located in. Keep in mind that some puppies may urinate out of excitement or intimidation. If this is the case with your puppy, we suggest that you always greet your puppy in a calm manner, and if necessary, even ignoring them for a few minutes. Never raise your voice or scold your puppy if they accidentally